Home service providers, if you're trying to expand your reach on Google Maps, you need to do this. Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how creating point of interest pages on your home service website will help you rank in more areas on Google Maps. Hey, my name's Dave, your home service marketer, where I provide you with simple strategies you can implement after watching every one of my videos. Let me show you what point of interest pages are and how to use them to get your Google Business Profile to rank better on Google Maps. The real reason we are creating these point of interest pages to help us rank is because these point of interest pages help support the location pages on our website. We're reinforcing to Google these 10 or 12 locations that we say that we are operating in, we're doing business in, these help support that idea, okay? So when you have your website, we've got your homepage that focuses specifically on your main location, whatever the address is that's on your Google Business Profile. That's typically your homepage. Your location pages, you can select between 10 and 12 different locations, different major cities or towns within your service area, and create a page for each of those. Then we're going to create point of interest pages. We're going to pick points of interest in each of those locations, and we're going to create pages for that. So it looks like this. Let's say you have 4 location pages. We're going to create 5 points of interest pages for each location. All right. Now, the way that the structure is for the linking is super important. So let's pretend that you've got a location page for Philadelphia because you're trying to rank in Philadelphia for your service. And you decided to your point of interest that you're going to write the page about is the Liberty Bell in Philadelphia. So we're going to link from our point of interest page to the actual Liberty Bell website, that point of interest. We're going to link to the Philadelphia city website. We're going to link to your homepage. We're going to link to the location page, the Philadelphia location page you already have built. And we're going to link to your Google Business Profile. All right, let's take a look at how to actually figure out which points of interest to choose. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Google and just do a search, things to do in, and put the city that you want to create these point of interest pages. And the first thing you're going to see is top sites in that city, in Philadelphia. Click more things to do. And now you're going to have a list here, and you can click to keep going. It'll grow and grow depending on the size of the city. But you should have at least 5. Now, here's a little pointer. When you are deciding on which ones to choose, I like to pick the top 5. But what I like to do is I click in here and I make sure that there's 2 things I'm looking for. One, that their address is actually in the city I'm trying to create a point of interest for. Sometimes Google will show you points of interest that are just outside the city. So make sure that their address says, in this example, Philadelphia, and make sure they have a website. So each one of these meets that criteria. It has an address in Philly and it has a website. Okay, so I just take a Google Doc and I create a Google Doc and I say, okay, for the Philadelphia point of interest pages, I'm going to do these 5 right here. All right. Let me take it onto an actual website so you can see what this looks like in real life. So we've got our homepage, we've got our service pages, we've got our service or our location pages. So let's go to, let's just say media. Okay, so we've got our media location page. Now, we've create all of these points of interest pages, 5 for each city. So I've got 4 media, I've got 5. You see how they're right here? Now I want to click in here so you can see the linking structure in real life. So I pick whatever this point of interest is, so this is the media theater, I'm going to select an image that Google recognizes as being associated with that. I'm going to link to the media page, the location page. That's number 1. I'm also going to link to the point of interest page, their website, the media theater website. I'm going to link to the city page, the media borough website. I'm going to also link to my Google Business Profile, the business's homepage, and then see right here, this is linking to an additional point of interest page. So let's go back so you can see all the different points of interest. So I've got 5 points of interest. This one is linking to this one. If we click in here, you're going to see that this one links to one of the other, here we go, Ridley Creek State Park. This one links to one of the other ones, Tyler Arboretum. All of these are in media. So we're creating this beautiful linking structure where we're linking to all of our assets that are on our website, the location page, the home page, but also our Google Business Profile. We're sending very strong signals to Google that we do business, these services in this location. That's the whole reason to create a point of interest page. Whatever locations you have, and you can see this one has a lot. We're trying to rank in a lot of different areas in different counties. And so what we need to do here is for every single location page, we have to create 5 points of interest pages. And if you do that, and it doesn't have to be done all at once, we do it over time. Right now, I'm in the process of doing this and completing just this county. Once I'm done there, then I'll move on to the next county. Over time, what will happen is Google will get the signal that these locations are connected in some way to your business. And that's what gets you to rank better on Google and for the search results and also for your in Google Maps, for your Google Business Profile. Like and subscribe for more.